Thank you for joining me here today as we gather to meditate together on manifesting a brighter future for all beings. Find a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down. Just make sure you're comfortable and your spine is straight. Take a moment to stretch out any tensions and really settle in. However your body's oriented, leave your palms resting face up in a state of receiving, and make sure your chest is open, your shoulders relaxing down and back. When you're ready, let your eyes drift gently closed. Breathe in through your nose and out slowly through your mouth. Allow your out-breaths to linger, emptying yourself completely. See that any thoughts or emotions you may find in your field of awareness are nothing more than white clouds before a clear blue sky. If anything comes up, just greet it without judgment. Witness it, feel it, and allow it to pass. See the clouds float away. Realize that you are the sky itself, vast and still. Ever so gently, bring your focus back to your breath. Take a minute here to just breathe. Remember not to judge the practice while you're participating in it. We want to observe everything that comes up within us as those clouds upon the steady blue backdrop of our larger self. And now let us set our intentions for this practice today. Let us aim ourselves squarely upon our goal of manifesting a better future for all beings, a future of harmony, abundance, and peace. We ask all benevolent beings of light to join us here, in this sacred place we hold together, to share in energetic connection and to co-create a universe of passion, companionship, and understanding. You may have your own personal insights into what this harmonious future would look like or feel like. Take a moment to set your intentions for this better future. want you to see yourself standing on the shore of a distant beach. You're on a miniature island, no bigger than 300 meters across, and it's the dead of night. You can hear the sounds of waves gently crashing in. See the night sky, glorious and brilliant in its luminescence, stars glittering. You can see the Milky Way clearly, like a river amongst the stars. Feel the cool sand beneath your feet and see yourself turning away from the shoreline. See now that the central mound of this island is a grassy knoll adorned with megalithic stones, populated by dozens of other humans. See that those people are moving inward from other spots along the circular beachfront. And know you are safe here. You are among family as you begin your way in towards the central gathering place. See the others taking seats around the central fixture of the island, a megalithic stone doorway built up from the grass at the centralmost spot of the island. Find your own place here, sitting upon the cool grass, and recognize that your friends and family join you here, along with all others who have already or will ever take part in this meditation. Notice that your friends and family are different. They're happier, lighter, stress-free. This is them at their highest expression, their highest eternal self. And see us joined now by our ancestors. See us joined by ascended masters. And see us joined by any other benevolent beings of the universe who share our intentions. Feel our collective goal of stepping into a brighter future for all beings. Feel Mother Earth here with us as well, her mass below you, the pull of gravity holding you to her, the groundedness, the sturdiness. Know that she is always here with you, and lean into her. Let her relieve you of all your burdens. Fully release here into the loving embrace of our Mother Earth. Our spirit joins us here on the island as we take part in this sacred ritual. See us now, resting our bodies together, connecting our minds, spirits, and hearts. And bring your awareness down into your own heart. Feel all of your attention settling there. On each breath in, see microscopic particles of life force energy filling your chest. On each exhalation, feel yourself releasing and breathe out all limitation. Feel your heart space expanding. Feel its energies beginning to connect with all others who have joined us here and are helping to hold this space. Feel the strength of our collective energy. Realize that it's here with the strength of our hearts, in which we have the power to change not only our world, but the entire living universe. Feel that truth radiating through you. Connected with so many others here, connected with the unconditional love of Source. See that we have activated the doorway. The megalithic passage, which was once empty, is now filled with a brilliant blue-white light. You can feel the energy radiating off of it. As we meditate here, holding our intentions for stepping in to this brighter universe we are creating together, let yourself see how this future looks for you. See yourself in this future. What do you notice? What's different? How do you feel? Realize that all of this is available to you now. You already are this person. You always have been. Now, you only need to step through the doorway and see your highest self come into realization. And so, see yourself standing from your seat amongst the others, still engulfed within our collective energies of the heart, and begin stepping forward towards the doorway and the portal which resides there. Feel the cool breeze on your face and feel the powerful energy vibrating from the portal as you grow nearer and nearer. Feel its raw, loving energy. Realize that somehow this portal is composed of love itself. And now you begin stepping in to the bright, bluish white wall of light. It feels warm but inviting as you fully move into this field of energy. You feel your skin vibrating with it, and you feel its love encompassing you. You feel it transforming you into your own highest expression, your eternal, enlightened self. You realize that this power was within us all along. We only needed to connect fully with each other and our hearts to open ourselves to it. Coming back to our bodies, finding them right where we left them. Feel yourself returning, empowered. Sense the intelligence, the awareness of your highest expression coursing through you. We choose to take this with us, boldly carving our own path into this brighter future we have created together. Now, ever so gently, wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers. Allow yourself to stretch out any tension which may have built up. Sense the space around you. And whenever you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me for this meditation. I'm so grateful to be here on earth with loving, powerful beings of light such as yourself. Namaste.